Hey everybody, this is Hayden with Trade in Tech, and in this video I want to talk to you about creating groups. Now we have a section under here, it's called groups, and this is where you'll be able to create your own public, private, or secret groups. Now a public group, everybody will be able to join and everybody will be able to see the information on there. A private group, everybody will be able to join but must be approved and nobody can see the information on there until they are approved. And then a secret group, nobody can see any of the information and nobody can join, they can only be invited. So we have these three different groups designed based on how much you want to be presentable in the industry. So you can have a public group so everybody sees all of your feed and your update. You can have a private group so you only have certain people allow access to that, and you can have a secret group if you don't want anybody to see the type of business that you're doing. Now if you want to create a group, you can just go right up here and click to the green button and click the add sign, and you can start creating your own group. You can go under here and select your specific category. Let's try e-commerce and we'll call this Hayden's group. Now here you'll be able to choose if you make it a public, a closed, or a secret group. In this case we're just going to make it a public group because we want everybody to see it. We can go here to create group. Now from this section on, if you want to update your category and your name, you can do that anytime under the details. You can go into the information section too, and this is an about us section, and you can put your company information here as well. Now I suggest you put what the group is about, the rules, all of those types of things. It would be very beneficial to you. You can go here and add an image to add to your group so you can be presentable, and you can also display what the types of things that you offer in your group. And you can go here to permissions as well, where you can change the updating of the privacy to where you'll be able to only accept people or deny people or make it private to everybody. On top of this as well, you can see who can share events and who can be admins and who can control the entire platform and post on it. From this section we can go under the invite, and you can add anybody that you want to the group. You can add them by email or you can add them by name on the platform too. Now these are your friends. You can invite them as many as you want to the group to join. You'll also be able to change your URL here, so we can do Hayden's group. Call it there, and you'll be able to check to verify that it is successful, and you can update that as a URL if you want to send anybody your direct URL. You can also go to the admin section, add anybody as you want as admins, and create any new widgets, which would be details and all of those types of things. Now when it's all said and done, you can go here to finish it, and you'll be able to go on this section. I highly suggest you update images here, both in the banner section and the profile section. It will display as a group. Guys, this is the Trade in Tech groups. Go ahead and set these up. As you can see, they are brand new. Not very many people have set up any groups before, but you'll be able to create very large groups and display a ton of inventory updates to all of your members of these groups, which therefore will help you sell more and grow your business. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you later.